Hello, my name is Lexi, and today I will be teaching you about lowest common multiples. First, I will be going through a step-by-step explanation of finding the LCM of two or more numbers. Step 1. Complete a factorization tree for each number. Step 2. List the prime factors of each number. Step 3. Record the greatest numbers of times each prime factor occurs in any one number. Step 4. Multiply the prime factors. If the prime factor occurs more than once as recorded in step 3, multiply the prime factor that number of times. In other words, the greatest number of times it occurs. Next, I will be explaining common mistakes people make. The first common mistake is identifying composite numbers as prime numbers. For example, identifying 10 as a prime number. The second common mistake that they make is multiplying a prime factor by the greatest number of times it occurs rather than multiplying a prime factor the greatest number of times it occurs. For example, if 5 occurs 3 times, multiplying 5 times 3 rather than 5 times 5 times 5. Now, let's do 2 example problems. Example problem number 1. What is the LCM of 20 and 48? The first steps that we're going to do is put 20 and 48 on the top of the page. Next, we're going to be doing the factorization tree for both these numbers. Next, we are going to circle all the prime factors. Next, let's list the prime factors for each number. So for 20, we have 2, 2, and 5. For 48, we have 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3. Now, for each prime factor, let's find the greatest number of times it occurs. So, for 2 occurs the most, 4 times. So we are going to write next to it 4 times. For number 3, it only occurs once in number 48, so we're going to write 1 time next to it. For number 5, it only occurs once to number 20, so we're going to write 1 time next to 5 as well. Now, we multiply the prime factors together, the greatest number of times they occur. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 equals 240. The LCM of 20 and 48 is 240. Now let's do example problem number 2. What is the LCM of 25, 50, and 75? Now we are going to put the 3 numbers on the top of the page. Next, we are going to be doing the factorization tree for these 3 numbers. Next, we are going to be circling the prime factors of these numbers. Next, let's list the prime factors for each number. So, for 25, it is 5 and 5. For 50, it is 2, 5, and 5. And for 75, it is 3, 5, and 5. Now, for each prime factor, let's find the greatest number of times it occurs. So, for 2, it occurs the most times once. So right next to 2, we are going to write 1 time. Now for number 3, it only occurs once, so we're going to write 1 time next to it. For 5, the most times it occurs is 2 times, so we're going to write 2 times next to it. Now we're multiplying the prime factors together, the greatest number of times it occurs. So, 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 equals 150. The answer for what is the LCM of 25, 50, and 75 is 150. Finally, I'm going to give you some tips to avoid common mistakes. To avoid the common mistakes, remember, a prime number is only divisible by 1 in itself. You are multiplying a prime factor the greatest number of times it occurs, not by the greatest number of times it occurs. For example, for 2, 4 times, think about the 4 times as a power. So 2 4 times means 2 on the power of 4. In other words, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, not 2 times 4. And this is my end of my presentation. I hope you learned something about LCM. Thank you. Goodbye.